Cook for you, spread tasty food in the world. Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for daily notifications. Cook for you presents Sitaphal Ice Cream. Take mixing bowl. Place strainer on it. Take 2 to 3 custard apples. Scoop out the custard apple flesh with the help of a spoon. Remove the flesh on the strainer. Mash it well with the help of the fork. There's no need to get hands dirty. Seeds will easily be removed. Gently separate all the seeds from flesh. Make sure there is no single seed remained. All seeds are easily removed. In a bowl, you will get custard apple pulp. Mix custard apple flesh with pulp. Similarly, do the same for other custard apple. Remove the pulp and flesh from another custard apple. Remove all the seeds carefully. Check once there are no seeds left. You will get seedless flesh and pulp. Add flesh into the pulp bowl. Give it a good mix. Keep the pulp aside. Remove the seeds by strainer method or use this hand chopper. Pull string slowly so seeds will separate. In another bowl, take 300 ml double or fresh cream. Whisk well. I added 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk here, but the clip was missed. Add 1/3 cup powdered sugar or condensed milk. Be careful, it can create a mess and sugar dust fly everywhere around the room. Whisk again until the sugar is well incorporated. Whisk the cream until it becomes slightly thick. Cream consistency should be like this. Now bring back our Sitafal bowl. Pour cream mixture into the custard apple pulp bowl. Gently fold the cream mixture into the Sitafal pulp. Ensure it's evenly mixed without mashing the pulp too much. Mix everything well. Transfer into the airtight container. Spread evenly with the help of the spatula. Freeze it 5 to 6 hours or overnight until it sets. Scoop out the ice cream. Dish out. Scoop out some more ice cream. Natural style perfect custard apple ice cream is ready to enjoy. Do try this rich, creamy, sweet, indulgent custard apple ice cream. Perfect for those who love the unique flavor of custard apple. Dig in and enjoy it. Each spoonful is packed with bits of the fruit, offering bursts of flavor and texture. Do try this Sitafal ice cream in this custard apple season and share your valuable feedback in the comments section below. Please like and share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.